it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the gang sheet uploader on Fontsy. So this is really cool. So if you don't have a direct-to-film printer, we can print for you, and then you can just press in as little as 15 seconds. So once you get to this page, this is going to be the gang sheet builder, which you have multiple sizes you can pick from. So whatever gang sheet size you want, you can go ahead and select that. So I'm just going to pick 11 by 17 for this example, and then you can click Create Design. Okay, so this is the gang sheet builder itself. You're going to see that it's going to open up in the size that you selected. Now, you have a couple of options. So let's just upload our own files. So you're going to click this button over here to upload your files, and you will then be able to upload your design. So I have a couple here that I'm going to show you. So here's the Fontsy logo. So I'll just upload that, and it's going to come in over here in like what ends up looking like a gallery. So you can upload multiple at a time, or you can just do the one like I did. So if you want to do multiples, you'll click Upload File, and then you would select the multiple files that you want to upload. So I'll just do these two right here, and then both of them will come in. Now, to build your gang sheet, you will just select the files that you uploaded and add them to the gang sheet. So you can fill this sheet within the purple border with as many different designs as you want. You want to obviously make sure that you have the right to be printing them, but you can put as many as you want on here. So you could put all of the same. You could, if you do auto fill, you can just tell it how many you want. So maybe we want 4 and we want them to go to the bottom, and duplicate. So it's only putting 2 because 4 can't totally fit. However, I could duplicate, and you can put it where you want it. Okay, so I'm going to do another one. Oh my goodness, my mouse is not letting go. Okay. And then I'm going to duplicate this one more time, and now I can put it down here. Now, let's say I want this one to be a little bit bigger. I can just stretch it using the bottom right corner. Now, it's okay if the little orange dots are overlapping. What you don't want, though, is something like this. The gang sheet is going to print exactly as you have it. So, for example, if you have a design that has white around it, that's how it's going to print. However, go back to graphics, and that's where you'll find it. So if you have your this Christmas tree. Now, let's say we want to put the Christmas tree down here, but we've got excess white. So what we can do is we can select the Christmas tree and then click this button up here that says Remove All White, and it's going to remove all of the white. Now, you'll notice that it removed it from the little clouds and the stars as well. So if you don't want that to remove, then you'll want to remove it before you bring it into this gang sheet builder. Now, you can also, with this selected, you can also click Trim Transparent Space, and that is going to trim down that excess space that is around the design. So now you can see it's overlapping this Fontsy here, so I might want to, just make that a little bit smaller and then reposition it so it's not on there. You are also going to want to keep in mind that you're likely going to need to cut these apart. So once you get them so that you can apply. So just keep that in mind. If you don't want them to be too close together, keep that in mind. Now I can also, let's say I want to have another one of these. I'm going to click duplicate that. Whoops. I'll duplicate this one, and I'm going to move that up to the top here. And then we can rotate however we want. Okay. And when we are ready, so that fits perfectly right there, you could fill this other space with, smaller designs or whatever you want. So just be careful. Make sure, again, that nothing is overlapping. Again, your sheet is going to print exactly as it shows. So, for example, if you pull a design in here and you get some kind of a warning, like it's going to, this is a very good design, but see this little warning here? This is telling me that this design, the quality of this design is at risk. It is not this is too large for the actual resolution of this design. So that is how it's going to print. So you just want to be careful and make sure that you don't have any warnings. And it's also going to warn you when you go to the next step. Now, the next step is to confirm. So you want to make sure you already have your account. If you haven't had your account already, you'll create an account the first time and you'll click confirm. Now, this is where your design is now. Again, you've picked 11 by 17. If you opt to change, you can change it here. Let's say you wanted 2 of these gang sheets to print, you would click 2 here, and then you're gonna click confirm my design. You're gonna enter your email address, and this is going to kick you back over to Fontsy. It takes like 30 seconds, but if you click redirect now, it'll just shoot you over very quickly instead of waiting there. And it's gonna put you into the cart. So your design will automatically show up here. So you can see I have a couple of other ones here. Now, what I'm going to tell you is that this is just a placeholder. This is not going to show you your, gang sheet, okay? Because it can't generate that preview that quickly. So this is just a preview, all right? I'm gonna take this other one out. Now you can see I have 2 in there. That's why it's $18.99 or $17.98. You can get free shipping over $49.99. So if you want to add more, you can do that. You don't have to check out right away. You can go and add SVGs or fonts or stock transfers. Then when you're ready, you can go to checkout, okay? And it will continue through your order just like it normally would. Now, if you have orders that you have already ordered other transfers, they will show up here. You can see I have a gang sheet builder. It's telling me the status of it here. Just like any product where it would ship, you will get shipping notifications. You will get your tracking number. So all of that, so you'll be able to see when your order is coming. So again, if you want to get to the transfer builder, gang sheet builder, you're gonna go to transfers and uploader. Give it a try. I would love to hear what you guys think about the new gang sheet uploader.